Hello. This time I'm going to show you the main differences between the legend and the traditional trading methods. With legend, our aim is to have the correct timing and correct direction. But the traditional method basically aims the price. So in our method, we are not trying to guess the price. We are just surfing with the price, like scalping, but it's not dedicated to any time plan. For example, it can be done with daily charts, it can be done with minutely charts, it can be done with the real-time charts, doesn't matter. In here, I'm going to explain the basics with the indicator, the legend indicator, and the method. I hope you will like it. Okay, as you can see, our chart, it's basically the Ethereum chart, have only two graphs. One graph is the regular candle graph X. The other one is our indicator. With the candle graphics, we have the regular moving average indicator, which is going to help us for the directional flow. And it has short, mid, and long term. With our indicator, as you can see, we have four lines. Two of them is for the leveling line. The other two is the basically indicator for the price and the timing. This red dotted line is for overbuy limit. For example, at this point of time, as you can see, the price goes from here to here, and it will start to fall down to the overbuy limit. So we can guess that it's going to fall down, and our price power cycle is helping us to understand that it's going down because, as you can see, it's not powerful enough like here. It's lesser. So maybe you are going to ask, what are the colors? Why the colors are there? Okay, colors are for the power signing, let's say. Uh, it's been in use for bearish and bullish directional events. For example, red and maroon is for the down movements, yellow and green for the up movements. As you can see in here, the price is going up and the main color is green. When price is going down, main color starts to turn to yellow. After the yellow, while it's going down and down, you will notice that at this point of time, it's getting red. And while it's getting higher as the preparation, you will notice that it's getting maroon. For example, at this point, it's same. So our indicator have two lines. One is for power line, the power cycle line. The other one is the price level line. Price level line is basically showing the level of the price in a channel. This channel is a real time calculation of the price, and it's just showing that exact time slice. So at this time slice, you will notice that the price have maximum and minimum levels in here, and basically the moving average is showing something like that. But it's not easy to understand what is the capacity of it. So it can go more or less. So from this point, we can understand that it's already pushing up the limits because it it goes up as green, start to travel parallelly and it's start to getting some yellows on it very intensively. That means the price is going down, and the- I mean, it's preparing itself to go down. At the moment, as you can see, the thin line, which is the power cycle line, is showing us that the power cycle, the timing of the power cycle is at the low level. It that means it's going to have some travel like these at the bottom. Then it will get some movements to rise up. While it's rising up, the color going to change to maroon, so you can understand that there's a preparation for getting up and up. That means you can play with that on that side. If you combine all together, the price always will be represented with the the price level line, and the timing will be represented with power cycle line. If the power cycle line is at the down, you have to understand that uh, it's the bearish time. You have to wait for the maroon to have an, for example, trade opportunity for bullish. But while doing that, if the power level line is down like this, that means the market is very low. If even you have a bearish, it will be something like a false bearish or very weak uptrend. So don't expect something too much. But vice versa, if the price level line is up and the cycle time is up, that means it's at limits. It will have some short more time maybe, then it will collapse. As you can notice here, it's doing something like that. So if let's check some other recent graphics. For example, right now this is Ethereum 1 hour and 1 day based graphics. As you can see, the price is going down and the power cycle timing line is going down, and the power limits price limit line is at the mid range. So that means we have to be careful about what is the direction of the moving average lines. It's showing down like this. So let's say it's showing like down like this. That means the main power is down. So we shouldn't expect too much highs, for example, like this, because whenever uh, it will be high, the main power is going down, so it will prevent you to go rise up too much. It's working same with the daily base, as you can see. If we check it right now, according to the daily base graphic, the price is very low. The rest is in the mid at the overbuy limit. So we can understand that uh, until we have a moment like this, we can't expect anything for the price uh, rising. So to have it, we have to have this line start to get as the color of maroon. Until we see the maroon here, that means the price going to travel at the bottom. So don't try to get and try to have an opportunity for the bearish, oh, sorry, the bullish trend. Okay. You can say that this is for Ethereum. What about the other stocks? Bitcoin, exactly same. Doesn't matter. You can see that it's Bitcoin. Or this is DXY, and DXY is working exactly same. The buying opportunity, as you can see, indicates itself here And you can check any selling opportunity from here as you desired. To understand how much it's going to rise, you can follow up this power level, price leveling line, and you can follow it up till to the overbuy limit and sell it if you want to, or be a gambler and try to sell it while it starts to drop down like this. It's up to you. As you can see, this is our hourly based graphic, and at the right we have the daily based graphic, and it's not that much difference. The same structure working with that. So you can buy from here, you can sell it in here. You can rebuy it here as you wish. It's a gamble because it's not oversell. It's up to you, and you can sell it here. Or, or you can wait. You can buy it here, observe it here, then sell it here. It's up to you. I can hear you say this is DXY. What about others? Okay, this is ons, gold ons, XA. So you can see that same structure is working again. You can see that this is the bottom, the price at the bottom, mainly, and it's going to have an up. And you can see the maroon here, which is showing you that, alarming you that I'm going to go up. But how much? It's up to you. You have to follow up. While you are following up, you have to be very careful about this indicator, which is showing you the power cycle. As you can see, it's showing some red candles here. And by the way, I'm using Heiken Ashi. I prefer it. It's working better for me, but you can use whatever you want. Doesn't matter. It starts to give some alarm here. As you can see, it's starting to change. It's already started to change. Have some color change as yellow. That means it's going to travel like this, maybe maximum, but then it will have some downtime. So what we can do, we can buy it from the here and sell it here. Oh, sorry. We can sell it here. It's up to you. You can wait, you can hold it, whatever you want. But main idea is following up the price according to the timing and the level of the wave.